Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to create this rose gold makeup look. So without any further ado, let's begin. So first I'm applying toner and then moisturizer to my skin. First I'm gonna use concealer on my eyes. Then I'm gonna take that peachy shade and apply it on my crease. Then I'm gonna take brown shade and apply it on my outer V. After that I'm gonna make a wing eyeliner with the help of a black shade, and I'm going to smudge all the shades together. After that I'm going to apply the shimmer shade on my lids and apply some rose gold glitter eyeshadow. After that I'm going to apply primer and then foundation on my face. Apply some concealer under your eyes and where there is pigmentation. Set it with the help of a loose powder or compact powder. And from the same palette I'm gonna take that brown shade and apply it as a bronzer on my face and sculpt my face, my nose, etc. Now let's lift our lashes, shall we? Then from the same palette I'm gonna take that peachy shade and apply it as a blush, and then I'm gonna apply highlighter, lipstick, set all with the makeup fixer. And here I am done with this look. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed this video, please do subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so you will never miss my any videos. Till then, take care and bye bye.